Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So, I believe what I'm about to do is pull the circuit board out of each of these machines and swap them over. But first, I need to find a suitable screwdriver to accomplish this. So, it's off. These screws, of course, have been in here a very long time. Uh-oh. Oftentimes, they do have signs of rust. Because they've been around. They have. So if memory serves me rightly, there should be 3 screws. And yes, the third one is kind of hard to see. It's right behind the transistor things here. Okay. And hard to get at. Ugh. Okay. So that is that. Then the connectors have to come off. There's only 3. The monitor, the keyboard, and the power. And then we've got these little feet. That have these little fingers. There should be another one here. Oh, there, it's hiding behind a capacitor. So you just gotta very gently take pliers. This is a little finger. And you gotta find where the little finger is. And squeeze it and pull it. And then the circuit board should come out. So here, oh, don't do that. Okay. I need to, that's sharp. Oh dear. I need to find either a little glue, maybe a little glue. See on here, there's this Arbiter 1.4 version 1.8 copyright 1982, That's to do with having this all connected to other machines. Anyway, it's on an EEPROM, and of course, if an EEPROM is in the light too much, it will erase. Thus, the whole thing of an EEPROM stands for erasable, programmable, read-only memory. So, why am I doing this? Well, you know what? The reason is simple. This machine here, it just doesn't sound right. Oh my golly. A keyboard. Whew. Wow. The keyboard connector is very much woo-wee. Not really wanting to come off. Wow. That's annoying. I've never had one put up such a fight. Perhaps I will take a little wee screwdriver and try to convince it. Whew. Okay, that convinced it a little wee bit. Wow, that is snug. Okay, now we're coming off. That was snug. Very snug. Oh, okay. So there's a screw missing from this one. The one towards the center of the board is not there. These ones in the back, sometimes it's helpful to lift up the top. Oh, there's the other screw missing. Okay, so there's only one screw. All right, I'll set that over here. I'll set this back down, and I will look for the little fingers. Okay, that's one. Just be gentle, but firm. That's two. Find usually little needle nose pliers. Now, I want to be especially careful with this board because it has all the wire wrap stuff underneath. Oh my. I should do at some point a video of all the work that had to be done to correct the evils of Commodore. Look at that. All those hair thin wires. Let me see if I can get closer. That is what needed to be done instead of just installing round chips to correct the holes that were drilled in the board. Anyway, I do not want to hurt any of that. I'm just glancing. Not that I know if any of it is been hurt, but certainly I can look and see if anything looks dislodged. Wow, that's a lot of wiring. Amazing. The damage done at the factory. Okay, so this pad, okay, I'm going to be very delicate. Basically, I'm not going to do the screws. I'm just going to find the little feet. The little plastic feet. Where are the little... Okay, they're all lined up. And I'll push this down ever so gently, ever so gently, ever so gently. Okay, we're in. Alright, and why am I doing this? Well, you know what? Even right now, with nothing plugged in, if I turn this on... Oh, am I plugged in? No. Okay. Sorry, the power supply doesn't make the same sound as it does when it's plugged in. But certainly that other one just didn't make the right sound at all. So here I have a machine, and the monitor did nothing. So it's rare. I don't know that I've ever found a bad power supply at a pet, but things happen. So we're all together now, and everything is in. So, without further ado, maybe I will put this down, and maybe there will be a joyous moment. But with bad power supplies, I'm always afraid that if something's gone hot, it's really going to be bad. Let's see. I hear that noise. Oh my. Okay, I saw a funny little thing up the middle of the screen. I did. Interesting. I wonder, because now I'm not hearing that sound. Let me try that one more time. Maybe I'm hearing that sound. All right, well, there's definitely not really much change in all of that. Let me just double check. I have the connector on properly, and I do, and that's the keyboard, and I do. That is strange. I was so hopeful. So hopeful that that would be a beneficial diagnostic thing. But it did not seem to be. Hello. Okay, so there's another foot. Come on, little plastic foot. Okay, so now with great care, I will take this board out, and I will turn it over, and I will place it in here. I shall. And now, the original board, I will bring back, and I will put it inside, looking for, oops, looking for the little plastic legs to fall into place. Come on, you. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now in the whole spirit of doing no harm, I am forever hopeful that I have not damaged something here. Oops. Come on, keyboard connector. No, I'm missing. I am missing. Okay, keyboard connector on. We're on. Everything is good. I hear that noise. And we are coming up as we were. All right. Well, interesting. Interesting indeed. Am I brave enough to try this board over here? I'm not sure. I mean, we always kind of had a rule is you never plug a power supply that you're not sure of into anything. You just don't. All right, well, that's enough for now. I will ponder my next move with pet number 40 and pet number 41. So, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.